Hello guys, back again with another tutorial. This time I'm gonna show you how to make a slap house remix of a vintage song. So, let's get started. First, we need vintage vocals. I've panned the vocals left and right. Then added tons of effects to make it more appealing. I've used the pitch shift technique to make it more intense. Some vintage drums and SFX. Cool bass with LFO with some SFX and drums, and our build-up is ready. Layer the bass until you get the fat plucky bass. Small stabs and some large ones. Some cool vintage sounds to make it more interesting. At last, don't forget to add white noise. And our slap house remix is ready.
The night creeps so slowly into hearts of men who need more than they get. It like is alright.